Hey, fourth grade, welcome back to another day with a quick word from Miss Clarke. Okay, so we are starting lesson 4 today of coding. Congratulations, you guys. You guys made it through the first 3 whole lessons of coding, which is super dope. You should be proud of yourself, giving yourself a pat on the back, even the other shoulder too. Like, you guys did that. I'm very proud of you. And just know that you guys all just made your brains just a little bit bigger for each of those lessons that you did. That's pretty dope. You should definitely be proud of yourself because I'm very proud of you. So, as we get into lesson 4, we're actually let's start with some vocab, like this word condition. And then it's word conditionals, which is kind of like very similar. So a condition is a statement that a program checks to see if it's true or false. If true, an action is taken, otherwise the action is ignored. So that kind of makes me think like when we're on a path, in a pathway on the code. Like, for example, we had last time where we were swimming underwater and then we got to a blue coral, right? So the blue coral was like the condition. So otherwise we were swimming forward, but the condition was when there was this blue coral, you did something else. You might have turned left, you might have turned right, whatever it was. That was it, because it only happened when when it was that condition. Just like if you were walking, right? And then there was a chair in your way. When there's a chair in your way, you're going to move the chair out. Otherwise, you're going to still keep walking straight. That's a condition. If it's there, you pick it up and you move it out the way. Or if it's not there, you're just doing what you normally would do. And that's a condition. So we're going to be talking about that today. Let's take a look at lesson 4. There is a quick video because you guys are doing bubbles 1 through 6 today and stopping at bubble 7. Let's take a look. Let's watch this quick video because there's a new button that you guys can use. Make sure you're watching.
While loops are pretty similar to what you do in everyday life. Imagine you are washing your car. You will keep scrubbing until it's clean. So
That's a
while
condition.
it's not clean, continue to scrub. So you're evaluating these things all the time. Hey there, we've got a new loop to help your farmer out. It's called a while loop. It's pretty simple, actually. While a statement at the top is true, do something. For example, while there's a pile, remove 1 shovelful. Go ahead and give it a try with your farmer.
So let's take a look right now. So look closely at the code below. What will happen after you click run? So I filled this in, right? I said that I think that the farmer will remove dirt as long as there is a pile, then stop when the pile is gone. Going back to what we were talking about with condition or conditionals earlier. So let's take a look. I think if we run, this was also already here. I think just to make it true, I'm going to move forward, but when there's a pile, I'm going to remove it. So if there wasn't a pile, I'm going to just keep moving forward. But the condition is when there is a pile, I'm going to remove it. So let's take a look. Let's run it. Yep. So with that, I was able to... Oh, no, I don't want to keep going. No. With that, I was able to use when there is a pile or when this is happening, that condition, I'm going to now do what action. This will allow you to minimize the amount of minimize the amount of blocks that you're using using that loop that it just gave you, where you can put multiple things and it can do it over and over and over. Again, please make sure that you are paying attention to the workspace, the amount of blocks that you need to use or that you're allowed to use, and that will help you make sure that you are not using too many blocks. But a lot of you guys fixed that after the science Zoom on Tuesday, which was really great. After you're done, so like looking at the agenda, we just watched a quick word from Ms. Clarke. You're going to go to Clever, go to Code, um, complete lesson 4, bubbles 1 through 6. Stop when you get to bubble 7. Yeah, I wrote stop twice. Whoopsie. Um, answer the journal questions underneath. And the vocab words are there again for you if you need to. And you're just going to answer those 2 questions. Okay? Have a great day. I will see you at the science